So, can you explain how standard deviation is like when you compare the volatility of investment? Can you kind of explain that in a little bit more of a simpler terms?
Yeah, real simple terms. You can have two investments. They both make 10%. And one has a standard deviation of 5%. And another one has a standard deviation of 10%. So the one that has standard deviation of 5%, and again, in simple terms, it's plus or minus 5, right? So if the average rate of return is 10, that means, some points it makes 5% and some points it makes 15%, right? So it's the movement to get there. The other one that also averages 10% but has a 10% standard deviation would mean that it could be 0 to 20. So a lot more variability around that same average rate of return. Those are two pretty different investments, and standard deviation is actually a really critical component of portfolio design, at least in my opinion. And so trying to create, because consistency is one of the hallmarks that my clients are asking for the most part. So that's one of the things we look at. It's why I don't invest in cryptocurrencies. I don't see yet, I don't, at least in our portfolios here, I don't see diversification potential yet. And I see high standard deviation that would probably drive my clients crazy. So, but yeah, that's how it works. It's a good question.